Hi, in front of me is CUBOT X30 and today I would like to show you how you can apply and install iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store. Then, type iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. Click Open. Tap Allow. And click Home button. Choose iOS Launcher. Always or just once, I will go with always. Tap Got it. And as you can see, iOS Launcher was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!